In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up tiers on Patreon. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to create clear, attractive membership levels that make sense for you and your supporters. First, head over to your Patreon creator page and open your creator dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the account you use as a creator, not as a patron. This is where you control everything related to your memberships. At the top of the dashboard, look for the tab labeled Membership and click on it. This is the section where you'll create and manage all your tiers. On the membership page, you should see an option that says Get Started. Go ahead and click that to begin setting up your first tier. You'll now be taken to a form to create a new membership tier. Start by clicking into the name field and typing the name of your tier. Choose something that clearly reflects the level of access or perks, like supporter, VIP, or all access. Just below that, click into the monthly price field and enter the amount you want to charge for this tier. Think about the value you're offering and what feels reasonable for your audience. You can always adjust or add more tiers later, so don't stress too much about perfection on your first try. Next, click into the tier description field. Here, type a detailed description that explains exactly what members get when they join this tier. Be as specific as you can so people know what they're paying for, whether it's early access to content, behind-the-scenes posts, downloads, or something else. Now, click on Add Cover Image. This image will visually represent the tier, so choose something that matches your brand and feels consistent with your other content. Select the image from your device and upload it. You'll also see an option to Add Benefit. This is optional, but very useful. Click it to add the specific benefits included in this tier. Listing them here helps keep things organized and clear for your members. If you want to offer a free trial, look for the free trial toggle and click it to turn it on. Decide whether a trial makes sense for you before enabling it, since it lets people test the tier before being billed. Next, click on the Advanced drop-down. Under tier settings, you have a couple of extra options. You can ask members for a shipping address at checkout, which is useful if you plan to send physical rewards. You can also limit the number of members who can join this tier, which works well for exclusive or high-touch offerings. When you're happy with everything, click Save in the bottom left corner. Your first tier is now created. To add more tiers, go back to your membership page and click on Add a Tier. From here, you'll repeat the same process to build out a full structured membership offering on Patreon.